Design considerations for residential spaces in interior design involve various factors that aim to create functional, aesthetically pleasing, and comfortable living environments. Here are some key considerations. 1. Functionality. The design should prioritize the functionality of each space. Consider the activities that will take place in each room and ensure that the layout, furniture, and storage solutions support those activities effectively. 2. Space planning. Optimize the use of space by carefully planning the layout. Consider traffic flow, furniture placement, and the relationship between different areas to create a harmonious and efficient space. 3. Ergonomics. Design with ergonomics in mind to enhance comfort and usability. Consider the human body's natural movements and proportions when selecting furniture, placing fixtures, and determining heights and dimensions. 4. Lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating ambience and functionality. Incorporate a combination of natural and artificial lighting sources to provide ample illumination for various activities and to create the desired mood. 5. Color and texture. Select colors and textures that align with the desired style and mood of the space. Consider the psychological effects of different colors and choose appropriate combinations to evoke the desired emotions. 6. Materials and finishes. Choose appropriate materials and finishes that are durable, practical, and visually appealing. Consider factors such as ease of maintenance, resistance to wear and tear, and compatibility with the overall design concept. 7. Storage solutions. Adequate storage is essential in residential spaces. Incorporate built-in storage, such as closets, cabinets, and shelving, to maximize space efficiency and minimize clutter. 8. Accessibility. Design with accessibility in mind to accommodate individuals with varying needs. Ensure that the space allows for easy movement, includes features like grab bars and ramps where necessary, and considers universal design principles. 9. Acoustics. Address acoustic considerations to minimize noise transfer and create a comfortable living environment. Incorporate materials and design elements that absorb or reduce noise to enhance the overall experience. 10. Personalization. Design the space to reflect the personality and preferences of the inhabitants. Incorporate elements such as artwork, personal collections, and meaningful objects to create a sense of identity and uniqueness. 11. Sustainability. Consider sustainable design principles and practices to minimize the environmental impact of the space. Select eco-friendly materials, incorporate energy-efficient lighting and appliances, and promote proper waste management. 12. Safety and security. Ensure that the design prioritizes the safety and security of the residents. Install proper lighting, secure entry points, and incorporate safety features such as fire alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. These considerations are not exhaustive, and the specific design requirements will vary based on the project and client preferences. A successful residential interior design balances aesthetics, functionality, and the needs of the inhabitants to create a comfortable and enjoyable living space.